So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a special character or how to insert different special characters inside of a document here on Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left, press on insert, go all the way to the far right to where it says advanced symbols and press on that. Now what it's actually going to do is open up a different keyboard here. So by default it actually does go to symbols, but if you want to add a special character, press on the special characters tab right here to get special characters. What you can actually do is you can add, the copyright sign. You can add whatever the case may be, the trademark sign. So for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead here and add the copyright sign. Press on insert. We'll go ahead also and add the trademark sign. Press on insert, and once you're done, press on close, and there you go. You've now added these special characters, or you've now added, these special characters in specific to your document here on Microsoft Word. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to insert special characters here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.